Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get pearls, which can be used as an alchemy ingredient or some ammunition for starters. So the first method to get pearls is going around the shore and looking for closed scallop shells, which look like this. Go ahead and pick it up, and by right clicking on it you'll open it and there's a chance it'll drop a pearl. I haven't got one from this one, and as you can see, I've got one from this one. The second method is by killing ground zombies, which spawn at night and have a chance of dropping pearls. Also, another mob to drop the pearls is the Thorn Fiddler, which can also drop some pearls, but it's not a 100% chance. And as you can see, I've got one from the crab. And as you can see, I got one from the armored Drownet. So there's a little chance to drop them from the drowned and crabs, but as you can see, it is possible. So thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.